Before this video begins, I want you to hear one number very carefully. Goldman Sachs has estimated that AI could impact 300 million jobs globally. 300 million. Yeah, you heard it right. That means this 300 million will be unemployed tomorrow? No, that's not how it works. And honestly, this is what makes it more dangerous because it affects in a more quieter, slower and harder to notice manner. Welcome to Life with Latika, where we talk about money in a way that actually impacts your real life. This is not a video about artificial intelligence. I'm not going to tell you which jobs AI will take. I'm not going to tell you to learn prompt engineering. This is the video about money. Because here is the thing nobody in finance saying out loud. Your income source is going to change in the next 3 to 5 years. And there is a real evidence that it might. Your financial planning needs to change today. Not when it happens, but today. Chalo. Now let's see what is happening around. IBM has publicly announced freezing of hiring in the roles which can be replaced by AI. Duolingo has reduced their contract workers because of the increased use of AI. Even many Indian companies quietly using artificial intelligence in the repetitive work in the field of finance, operation, coding and HR screening. This means that these companies are evil? No. They use AI so that their work can be faster and cheaper. And here's the important part nobody says loudly enough. Company does not need to replace all employees. For example, if a team has 10 employees and if AI has replaced 40% of their work, then the company needs only 6 employees to do the same task. Same company, improved profit, smaller teams. And if you think this only affects tech people, please do not do this mistake. Even the World Economic Forum also mentioned that millions of jobs will be disrupted globally because of automation and AI. In India, it is already visible in junior level coding job, customer support service, entry level HR screening, data writing jobs and many more. Repetitive work is now done by software. That is the shift. Now let us talk about the real problem, because losing a job does not always destroy the finance. But sometimes staying in the same salary or a little hike impacts more. Meet Arjun, who earns 85,000 as a salary, having a stable job in a good company. Now he uses the 85,000 as a 28,000 for the home loan, 12,000 for the car EMI and another 8,000 for the personal EMI. He spends around 55% of the income by paying in the EMI amount every month. Now imagine this. His company restructures. No dramatic mail, no firing. Just slower growth, small increment. Now inflation is rising more than Arjun's income. This means even his salary is increasing, but his purchasing power with it is not increasing. This is AI financial trap, not instant unemployment, slow financial suffocation. And honestly, most people are completely unprepared for this because the Indian middle class family have one assumption in common, that my salary will keep on increasing. What if it slows down for 3 to 5 years? What happens to your lifestyle, your EMI, your rent, your SIP? That is why we need to change our financial strategy today. Move number 1, increase your emergency fund. Old financial advice suggests that it should be 3 to 6 months. This advice came from a world where industry used to change very slowly. But in today's time, in India, white collar people needed a longer duration to switch jobs. So try to keep your emergency fund for 12 months so that you should not be panic and you will be prepared for the situation. Move number 2, audit your EMIs immediately because fixed obligation during uncertain income environment is dangerous. The goal is very simple. EMIs should be 35% of your total income. And in the worst case scenario, it should be lower than 50% of the total income. And trust me, most people are not prepared for this until this is too late. Move 3. Build a second income source before you desperately need one. No, I'm not telling you to quit job and follow your passion. You can start your second income by freelancing, consulting, teaching, reviewing the CVs, and there are many other options. 10 to 15,000 per month will improve your financial survival chances drastically. I want to end this video in one important note. This video is not meant to scare you. Fear without plan leads to anxiety, and anxiety does not create wealth. What I need you to understand is that the professional who will going to come out from this AI disruption financially intact will not be the ones who has predicted it perfectly. It will be the ones who has already created flexibility in their finances before they needed it. Emergency fund, lower EMIs, second income source. These are not dramatic moves, these are the boring moves. And trust me, boring moves protects you when everything else gets exciting. Which of the 3 moves is hardest for you? Subscribe, because finance class you never got is right here every week. And also let me know in the comments below that if you need all this video in Hindi, then I will prepare my next video in Hindi for you guys. Thank you.